to use linear sketch pattern in SolidWorks. So we need to have a sketch that we want to duplicate linearly. So let's say something like this, and let me give dimension of 1000 to be 2, so it will be okay, it's not so much. So let's say I want to locate the position of this point, doesn't matter for now. Let's say I want to duplicate this line. I want to duplicate this line along this line. I want just like drawing borderline. So to do that, I'm going to come here, sketch tab, linear sketch pattern. You have circular sketch pattern there too. So you have along x axis here, but just clear it and use one of this side to reference the direction, and entity to pattern this. So number of instances 5. Have it, is it, or the distance is too small, you can increase the distance to 50. Yes. So distance, so now you can increase the number of instances, and then see we have 13 instances. 13 of this line is being created, and the distance between them is 50. So that's how to use linear sketch pattern in SolidWorks. So if you want to change the direction, you can just change the direction using this. So that's how to change the direction. You can display instant count after clicking your OK here to show the number of count. Okay, so click. You see, we have our instance count here, which is 13, and then the dimension is not showing, that is distance from here. So to show it, I think let me just, and then let me do it again. Linear sketch pattern, clear, register this side or this side, yeah, the same thing. Click add, yes, okay. Going to select 13 of them, distance of 50. Let me check this and say what will happen. Okay, you see, we have the number of instance, which is 13, and we have the dimension, the spacing dimension, which is 50 here after clicking on OK. So that's what the function of that box, if you check it, that's what it's going to bring. It's going to add the dimension of the space. So this is how to use linear sketch pattern, and you can change the direction using the reverse direction option. So let's say I want to add this line linearly to this side also. Let me show you how to do that. Not just going up to this side, to this empty side. So I'm going to clear, and I'm going to add to this direction. And what am I adding? This, and instances 2. Okay. The distance is supposed to be, okay, let me say 1000. So you can see from here to here, it's visible now. You can say 1000. I can change the direction to this side. You can see it's coming to this side. So if I click OK, see we have it there, and the number of instances just 2. So that's how to add linear sketch pattern to your sketch, and that's all for this short tutorial. Thank you. Kindly share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like my video.